Did you know that some poultry farmers are making millions without just selling ordinary chickens and eggs? Sounds interesting, right? Well, today we are going to uncover the secrets of smart farmers who are using unique ways to earn big from poultry farming. So if you've ever thought about getting into poultry, or you're already farming and looking for new ways to boost your income, this is for you. Most people think poultry farming is all about keeping broilers and layers. But guess what? Some farmers have found creative ways to make more money with birds that are rare, colorful, and highly valuable. These are called ornamental birds. Think of peacocks and silkies. These birds are not just beautiful. They are a status symbol. Resorts, collectors, and even zoos love them, and they're willing to pay big money for them. A single peacock can sell for over 65,000 Kenyan shillings. That's way more than you would get for regular chickens. And the best part, they don't require as much work as commercial poultry farming. That means more profit with less effort. Amazing, right? But that's not all. Some farmers specialize in rare breeds of chickens that fetch higher prices because of their unique colors, feather patterns, or even egg-laying abilities. These niche markets can be incredibly profitable if you find the right customers. But wait, there's more. Some farmers aren't just selling birds, they are selling their knowledge too. Think about it. If you've been in poultry farming for a while, you have experience that beginners would love to learn from. That's why smart farmers are now making money by teaching others. And the demand for training is huge because many newcomers want to avoid costly mistakes. They offer training workshops, online courses, and even one-on-one farm visits. Some create ebooks and YouTube videos, earning money while sharing what they already know. And here's the coolest part. By doing this online, farmers can reach people far beyond their local areas and make passive income. That means earning while you asleep. Imagine getting paid every time someone watches your course or downloads your guide. It's a smart way to make your knowledge work for you. There's another way to make more money: branding. Instead of selling live chickens, some farmers process their poultry into ready-to-eat products like smoked chicken, poultry sausages, and even organic fertilizers made from poultry waste. By adding value to their products, they can set higher prices and attract more customers. Branded products create trust, and customers are willing to pay more for something that looks professional. Some farmers have even partnered with supermarkets, restaurants, and hotels to supply their premium poultry products. Others sell directly to consumers through online stores and home delivery services. This way, they avoid the middleman and keep more profits. And let's not forget another overlooked opportunity: poultry tourism. Some innovative farmers have opened up their farms for agritourism, where visitors pay to see how the farm operates, feed birds, or even learn hands-on poultry farming techniques. Schools, families, and curious travelers love these experiences, making it another creative way to generate income. So, as you can see, poultry farming is no longer just about raising chickens and selling eggs. If you think outside the box, like these smart farmers, you too can turn poultry farming into a million-shilling business. It's all about finding new opportunities, understanding your market, and using what you have in the smartest way possible. Which of these strategies excites you the most? Would you try ornamental birds, teaching, branding, or even agritourism? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our other videos where we dive into more farming content. Your engagement helps us bring you more content you love. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.